Hello everyone, welcome to another Roblox game development tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to move on to our third level, I believe. Maybe it's our fourth? Yeah, our third level. And our third level is going to be another number one. However, instead of having players click on the button with the number represented and required for the answer, and instead of them typing it into a text box, we're actually going to make a text button thing. Yeah, because that's the best way I can describe it. No, really though, we're going to be making it have two arrows, one on the left pointing up, one on the right pointing down. Yeah, so that it's a bit more touch enhanced, because as you guys know, Roblox is on the mobile platform with iPads and iOS and all of that. So you need to make it a bit touch enabled, I guess. Touch screen friendly. That's a good word for it. So we're going to do that, and it'll increase the value or decrease the value correspondingly. Now, in order to make this not an annoying task, we'll only have the answer to the problem be 2. So they go from 0 to 2, and it's really easy, and they don't have to click about 300 times. So, yeah, that's the best way I can explain it without actually showing you. So let's get started. I'm going to copy and paste level 0 again, because I'm lazy like that. I'm going to change the name to level 3, go into level 0, and delete the text button within it. And now, let's change the background color again. And no, you guys don't get to choose, because last time I let you do that, it was the ugliest level ever. So I'm going to go with this nice light blue that's already defaulted. Oh, look at that, guys. It's actually, you know, calming. It's baby blue. I don't really like baby blue, but oh well. Alright. Next up, we're going to insert... Oops. We're going to insert a text button, another text button, and a text label. So this text button we will call up. Actually, no, we'll call it increase. And we'll call this text button decrease. And we'll call this not value, because value is a property too, and that might get confusing. How about we name it answer? And of course we need our question, which again I'm just going to copy from level 1, because again I'm very lazy. We'll paste it, and we'll actually change the question to be a little bit more difficult than 2 plus 2. We'll change it to be 2 plus 2 times 0. Now, quick math lesson to everybody. When you're doing math, the order of operations is not always left to right or up to down. You do multiplication, then division, then addition and subtraction. So multiplication and division come first, and then there's division and subtraction. So instead of doing 2 plus 2 times 0, meaning 2 plus 2 equals 4, multiply that by 0, that equals 0, you actually will do 2 plus, and you'll pretend that this has parentheses, 2 plus 0 equals 2, okay? And I like trolling people with this type of problem, because a lot of people disagree with me, but as soon as I Wikipedia it, I'm proven correct. It's called the order of operations. Look it up, in case you disagree with me. Next, we're going to finally get to the fun part, and that's making this increase thing. So this increase is going to be positioned at 0.6, and actually not 0.6 on the X, 0.6 on the Y. And for the size, this is not right. This is not right at all. There we go. Okay, fix it. Alright. That was a glitch on Roblox Studio 2013. Alright. Now, size, we're going to go with 0.3. For this, we're going to go with 0.3. And you get this huge button. We want it that big. And I'll show you exactly why in a second. Step 1 is make it a much better background. And we're going to make it yellow because we haven't really done that yet. When I tried to, it was like already the background color, so it was stupid. Then we're going to go down and we're going to change this to be just that. Simple. Next, we're going to change the text color to be 200, and actually we're going to change the font to Arial Bold again, and give the text stroke visibility. And last but not least, since we already know that this is going to be one massively huge button no matter what size screen you have, we'll go with the biggest size. It's not perfect. It's not as big as I'd like it to be, so we're going to change the font to Legacy. How's that? Legacy is much better for this particular time. So actually I'm going to copy increase, delete decrease for right now, and paste it. Rename this to decrease, and we're going to move this over to 0.7. We're going to change the we'll keep the background color the same, but we gotta change the text to be just a lowercase v, and that gives the appearance of a down arrow. I hope that makes sense. Next up, we change this answer and we move it to 0.3, 0.6, resize it to be 0.4 by 0.3. You guys can see the label, and now we'll change its background color. I'm gonna go with orange because again you guys can't choose this stuff apparently. And there we go. It's not of course perfect yet. We still need to go down here, change the text color and everything, but it's starting to take shape. However, there's still the scripting portion to this tutorial, which I will not forget, don't worry guys. And we'll get to that in just a second. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to insert a script into level 3, and there goes Hypercam's going over to my other monitor again. And in this script, we're going to make a couple variables real quick. Increase equals script.parent, .parent.increase. And I had somebody ask me in a comment if stuff like find first child and .parent had to be capitalized. Now, I know find first child, a lot of people have the first F capitalized. I have the first F lowercase. I haven't tried other cases besides those two, so I don't know if it has to be capitalized, and I don't know if maybe it's only not capitalized because, or I mean that I can do either one because there's two of those functions that do the same thing with that two names. You can try that out for yourself. I fully encourage it. I mean, I can't teach you everything. You gotta go and try out some stuff for yourself as well. What's the worst that can happen? You change the case one time and the output tells you you're wrong? Okay, it's easy enough to fix, right? And as for parent, just change, it's a property of everything. So I think I taught that properties have to be case sensitive. They're case sensitive. So since it's a property, I know for a fact that yes, you have to capitalize the P in parent, and you can't capitalize anything else. Why did I do all that? Just because I want to respond to that comment. If you guys have any questions that I can't easily answer in a response comment, I will try to fit it into a video. Just you guys gotta stay tuned, and you will get your answer, I promise. Next up, decrease equals script.parent.decrease. And last but not least, answer equals script.parent.answer. But actually, we need one more variable. And this variable will be real answer. And we'll make this equal to 2. and hopefully you guys understand. Now increase that mouse button 1 click, connect, function, and we'll copy and paste this again because, again, we are really, really lazy people. We're sitting on chairs watching me type, but not typing for ourselves, most likely. So we're obviously really lazy people. Or maybe you're one of those slightly less lazy people, having Roblox Studio open and typing as I tell you to. No, you aren't. Nah. What am I thinking? And I actually misspelled connect. I'm glad I caught that, because that would have been really annoying. And there's my iPod going off. Alright, so we're just going to go and let's type in answer int as another variable, and we'll equal it to 0 right now, which, by the way, we need to change this answers text to be 0. And then we can go back into our script, and we'll just change it to real answer equals real answer. I misspelled that again, I think. Did I? No. +1 script, or not that. Answer dot text equals real answer, or not real answer, sorry. We need answer int for this. I'm sorry. I'm confusing everybody now. And for decrease, as you guys know, decrease means subtract 1 or something. So we're decrementing it by 1. Subtracting 1. You guys can't see it, but I'm doing a motion with my hands to illustrate what I'm saying. We actually need a submit button. I didn't think about that. Oh well, easy enough to add. All we gotta do is select increase through to answer, go to their size, open it up, and we'll change it from 0.3 to 0.25. 0.25 is still too little room for our submit button. 0.2, that still looks good, still gets the job done. There's one problem I want to fix real quick. That's with this decrease. Is that a lowercase v? Yeah, it's a lowercase v. So how come it looks so much bigger than that? Are they the same font? Yeah. Oh well, I guess I can't really fix that, so we'll live with it. Now we'll just insert another text button real quick. I'm sorry guys, I totally forgot this. This has been a very long tutorial and it's not even close to done. You guys are doomed. That's what you get for trusting me. Submit. And we'll position this 0.7. Would that get us far down enough? No. They're all 0.2. They start at 0.6, so 0.8 gets us down. And that's the x. I keep putting that in the x variable. It's not supposed to be. We'll make it completely cover the width of the viewport, and 0.1 there. Let's make another crazy awesome color. I say pink, because pink is kind of on the opposite side of all of our other colors. Actually green. Green's even better. There we go. Now we scroll down. We'll use Arial Bold again, size 48. Change the text color. And I know I'm not using text scaled, guys, and the reason for that is because these buttons are always going to be massively huge. But I don't want to risk the lines wrapping, so I'm not going to do that. Oh, wow. Whoa. Fix that. There we go. And change this to... go away. Submit. There we go. That's a lot better. Alright, now we can actually get back to our script, and we'll make another, and that'll be submit.mouse button 1 click, connect, function, and now we don't have a submit variable, so let's fix that real quick. Script.parent, oops, can't capitalize today, .submit, and if answer, int equals real answer, then and script.parent, let's count how many parents to the player. Script.parent, and .parent. So let's count that real quick, because I always say let's count it and then I just say .parent, and I never really count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 parents. So we have 1, I never select it, parent, 2, 3, 4, level.value equals script.parent, you guys can't even see it now, .value plus 1. I think that's the right line of code. I think. Let's just go into level 1 real quick and double check. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we got it right. Yay! And that's all we gotta do, I think. This should work. So, step 1 to double check that it works is, of course, make it invisible and press F6. Press F6. There we go. There we go. Man, I was hoping for 3 times in a row, but it didn't work. Oh well. Okay. Play for bballer 13SN, because we fixed the capitalization issue. I'm going to do it again, just to be completely newbie, and then press submit. And now for the fun part, which would be much more fun without that tool in the way. There we go. So we press submit, it's not doing anything. If we press this, it goes down. Press submit, it's not doing anything. We go up to 2, press submit, it works! It works, yay! So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video, and I'll catch you guys later.